the right hanging piece in chess, and we are the white pieces in this chess position. What is the best move? Well, we are attacking a few pieces. We're attacking with this queen, the bishop on e5, and this rook on e8, and our pawn is attacking this bishop on the e5 square. What is the best capture? In 2, we are threatening this rook on e2, even though the bishop is protecting this rook, so that would be a bad capture. But anyway, the best capture is queen takes on e8, attacking the king on the 8th rank. And if the king moves to c7, then we can capture the bishop and they can capture our pawn back and we'll be up in material. And even if they move the queen to c8, we can capture their queen with check. They can capture back with their bishop, and we can capture their bishop on e5. They can capture a pawn back with their rook, and we'll be up in material. And that's why it's important to do the right captures.